Bedtime Stories. The Lost Laughter. In the land of Indigo, there lived a leopard named Rafiki. One day, the leopard gets very sad. He has lost his laugh. Rafiki goes to Jimmy the giraffe, asking for help.
Please help me find my laugh, Jimmy.
I can't hear a laugh up here. I'm tall.
Sad Rafiki then goes to Alligator the alligator for help.
Please help me find my laugh, alligator.
I can't hear a laugh down here, inside the water.
With lost hope, he goes to Robbie the rabbit for help.
Please help me find my laugh, Robbie.
Where did you lose it?
Rafiki tells Robbie how he lost his laughter.
When I laugh, my big teeth will be seen and I think everyone will be scared. So, my laughter disappeared and now, I'm sad.
Robbie picks up a feather and tickles Rafiki. Slowly Rafiki starts smiling and then lets out a big, loud laugh.
Where did you find his laugh?
It was inside him. I just made him happy.
Rafiki laughed until he rolled on the ground and the other animals also started laughing. They all laughed and their teeth showed too.
I will never lose my laugh again.
Few questions to engage your child. Rafiki stops laughing because he is worried that everyone might get scared looking at his teeth. Do you think he needs to worry? Why or why not? If you have a friend like Rafiki who has lost his laugh somewhere, how would you help your friend? It was inside him. I just made him happy. What do you think about these words? Why is it important to laugh and be happy? For more bedtime stories, subscribe to our channel.